Okay, I'm trying to hose off these mats, and Gracie, my dog that doesn't want to get her feet wet, loves the water. Especially when there's a sprayer involved. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, she's too funny. Okay, I gotta get the wood chips off of here. It's a good babysitter. Put a sprinkler out here. Sprinkler and a bottle of shampoo. Oh, Gracie! I just blasted her head. Gracie? Okay. I'm not really accomplishing anything out here except getting it all wet. Oh. I think we hit hair. Oh, how fun. She's gonna love it in the summer. At the waterfront where they have a big fountain. Okay, so you're not helping. I'm gonna have to lock you up. We have so many pine needles out here, and all this pollen keeps settling down. It's a mess. Okay, I think we've sufficiently blasted the dog. Get it. Okay, before I get the iPhone wet. Gracie! Gracie, you look so pretty now.